the builder, you've done your plans, you've gotten your financing, you have talked to Stu and gotten your homeowner's insurance, so I think I jumped in front of him a little bit. What's next? What do? I come in after you have all of that set, and I become your best friend, and your builder's best friend, and your lender's best friend. And the reason why is because I'm the one who actually handles your money. Okay, so your builder says, hey, we're gonna get started now, so we need some money. We need to, for the foundation, we need to do some excavating, whatever the first step is in the process that they decide. So they will send Nightberry Title a draw request, and we look it over and just make sure that everything, matches the plans that we were given in the beginning. Then we contact the credit union, who I might add is the most easy party in the entire city to work with as far as construction draws go. We get them what they need, they give us what we need, we can turn around a draw in 24 hours, so your builder is not going to be screaming at anybody asking where their money is. So it's a really awesome feature that we can work with together. What we do then is we contact you guys as the homeowners, and we say, hey, this is the amount of money that your builder has asked us for, and this is what it's for. Then you have to sign that authorization, send it to us, we send it to the credit union, and then they give us the money and we disperse the draw however we want, or however the builder directs us to do it. What we do then is we make sure that all the subcontractors are paid and that we have lien waivers in hand. What those lien waivers do is they protect you guys as the homeowners against anybody putting any liens against your property in the construction period. So we'll do that for the entire thing up to the completion process. Construction projects are actually one of my favorite things to do because I get to watch you build your house, as an outsider, not with the, stress and excitement quite as, much as you guys have. But we send an inspector out every time we get a draw, so we have a physical employee inside of our office who's trained to do construction inspections. They go to the site, they make sure if the builder says that they need lumber, that the lumber's there. If the builder said that they need cabinets, that the cabinets are in. So we'll make sure that every step of the process is taken care of, so you guys can rest easy that your money is being used how you would like it to be used. A little bit about Nightberry Title, just so you're sure you're working with a reputable company. We've been around since 1854, so we're 160 years old, which is 7 years older than Abraham Lincoln. Which is kind of cool to hear. 1854, yeah. We are located in Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, and Minnesota. So, obviously you guys are a little more local than that, but we can cover any part of the state, Midwest really. So we have a very far reach. So just like the builder said, they can accommodate projects all over the place. We can do that as well. Title really isn't that exciting. What we actually do, it's an insurance policy that you guys pay for that protects you against any liens that would come up against the property. So we are very diligent at what we do because we don't want to pay any claims. So we make sure we do it right so you guys are happy in the end. And we work hand in hand with everybody else here to make sure that the process is done correctly for you. So not very exciting, but it's an important part of the process. We do searching, which is what Diane was saying with the restrictive covenants. So when we get the order over from the builder or the lender or you, anybody in the transaction can really direct where the title insurance comes from. We will go to the courthouse or search online in whatever county the property is in and pull all the records on the property for the past 60 years. So we'll pull the restrictive covenants if the developer has them recorded. We'll pull any survey work that has been done. We'll pull any mortgages that are on the property. We'll pull anything you could possibly imagine for 60 years that could get recorded against the property. We'll pull them and then put together a report for you so you can see what's out there. Just to make sure that you're buying what you're expecting to buy and that you can put your dream house up on that piece of property. So we just want to make sure that you can build your dream house and it's totally easy. So
I have a question.
Sure.
So for the draws, typically is there a fee involved every time you make it, like a draw is made?
What we do is we charge, if it's in Brown County, we charge $250, and that will get you 4 draws up front.
I have to back up even more than what your question.
Sure.
What's a draw?
A draw is the process of the builder asking us for money to complete a portion of the build.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So it's the money changing hands. It's the money, the builder asking us for money and then us asking you for permission to give him the money, and then the lender giving us the money to give it to him. So we work together a lot, you know, we're hand in hand all the time. But you as the homeowner will be involved in every step of the process. A great builder will keep you involved in that, you know what I mean? You'll know, probably before I will, that a draw is coming. And you'll know exactly how much it's for, and you know exactly, you know, it's for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you'll probably know that before I will. Back to your question, you get 4 draws up front with us at Nightberry. If you know it's gonna be 5 draws, your builder will probably be able to tell you that. We give you
Also,
that.
the builders typically know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because they'll know your budget, they'll know, you know, in this draw, draw number 1, we're gonna do this portion of the property, draw 2, draw 3, draw 4. If you have a 5th draw, we always throw that one in, because, you know, it's fine. We had a project up in Minocqua that was like 12 draws into it, so we charged, you know, $75 extra for every draw, but that was somebody who was self-contracting and didn't really plan or have a budget, you know what I mean? So that's why a builder is so important to work with, because they can kind of guide that for you so you're not just going all crazy.
So the builder kind of provides like an invoice of what that draw is for.
Yep.
So we'll provide a project schedule up front, and that'll ultimately dictate the number of draws that will be needed for the project. And then with that, you would always see an invoice each month from us before the draw request would ever actually come through, so.
Okay.
And that's what I'm saying, like, you'll probably know, if you have a good builder, you will know before it gets to me. Do you know what I mean? And then we just process it and send. And some builders like the check to be made payable to them, which means the whole entire draw. Let's say they're drawing $75,000. We would take the $75,000, make the check payable to the builder, and then the builder would disperse all of the funds. Then some builders like it where we take the funds and they give us a breakdown of who they want it paid to, and then we cut all the checks and send it out to the subs. And that's just a preference for, you know, each builder.
Mhm.
It's lots of information.
I have a question. You said you were like a life insurance? For
No,
the-
title
for
insurance.
Title,
Mhm.
okay. And I don't know if this has anything to do with it, but when you're building a house, how is a house in progress of being built insured?
I'll get to that in a second.
That would be Stu.
Okay.
Stu will help you out
Try to
one
hold on
second.
to it. Exciting thing.
You guys are all set.
Yeah, it's good. Anything else? Okay. Well, good luck to all of you if you decide to build, and hopefully I'll see you again.